हमारे साथ अनिल सक्सेना मौजूद हैं, रेलवे के प्रवक्ता। सर, अब क्या ताज़ा जानकारी है?
हिंदी में बोल। Now the latest position at ground zero is that our relief rescue operation is almost in the last stages, and I could say it's almost over. But still, a small team continues to undertake search operations for any possible passengers who could be found and trapped in these derailed coaches. Now we have another focus is now to take these stranded passengers to their respective destinations. So we have, as reported earlier, we have moved these remaining portion of these two trains to Itarsi. So Kamaini Express and both Janta Express reached Itarsi first, and now we have also moved Kamaini Express is still ahead of Itarsi, and it has now on its way to Bhopal and then to its destination. In Bhopal, we will attach 5 more coaches to this train for the comfort of the passengers. As far as Janta Express is concerned, it is still at Itarsi, and we will attach 5 coaches here itself, and then we will take it to Mumbai through a diverted route, maybe through Nagpur and Bhusawal. We are looking after these stranded passengers at Itarsi. Our officials are there. They are being looked after. They are being provided drinking water, snacks, and other facilities, so that we can provide some ease to them. Honorable Minister has expressed profound grief over the loss of innocent lives in this unfortunate accident. We have the confirmation of 12 deaths and 25 minor injuries in this unfortunate accident. We have also announced, Honorable Minister has announced the ex gratia payment of rupees 2 lakh in case of death, rupees 50,000 if some grievous injury is there, and rupees 25,000 for minor injuries. The effort of the Railway Prashashan administration has always been to provide fast relief to the victims of this ill-fated train accident. Now, another parallel thing which we have to now do is the restoration of the track for traffic, because this Itarsi Khandwa traffic is blocked. Both lines are affected, infringed. So our cranes have reached, and the parallel work of restoration of traffic is also started. And by late this evening or middle of night, we expect we have the first forecast of restoring the one of the lines at least, if not both lines.
सर, आपने बताया कि देर रात तक लाइन जो है वो चालू हो सकती है। आपने फ्लैश फ्लड बताया था, फ्लैश फ्लड एक वजह बताई जिसकी वजह से जो ये हादसा हुआ है, और क्या जानकारी मिली है पूरी अगर कहें? चूंकि हम जानते हैं कि जो वहाँ ग्राउंड पर जो रिलीफ रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन आपने कहा कि वो तकरीबन पूरा हो गया, फोकस इस पे है कि जो है ट्रैक को चालू किया जाए।
देखिए, एन इंक्वायरी बाय कमिश्नर रेलवे सेफ्टी सेंट्रल सर्किल हैज बीन ऑर्डर्ड, so the exact circumstances and cause of the accident would be known only after detailed and proper investigation. However, prima facie information which has reached the headquarters, it indicates that the accident was caused because of the flash floods which these two trains encountered while negotiating a culvert, a small pulia, and that led to the derailment. And in fact, in one of the cases, the track was sunk. It got caved in, and that derailed the coaches. It toppled the coaches, in fact, rather. And since there is water logging all around on both sides of the track, on both sides of this culvert, the water body available. So the coaches, when they got tilted, so water entered these coaches, and that made the situation miserable for some of the passengers. So now and it was a difficult challenge. It was dark. It happened in the middle of the night. It was facing the fury of rains. This entire region, it was inundated badly, full of water all around, water logging. Even the roads were the road access was also not very good, and the district administration had to negotiate in a very challenging way the journey through roads to reach the accident site. But there was a big help from the district administration, the state administration. Honorable Minister throughout the night kept vigil over the incident. He kept monitoring the situation. He kept giving instructions, and he motivated the railway administration to gear up its machinery for providing quick relief and rescue as far as possible.
सर, जिन लोगों को जानकारी लेनी हो, जिनके कोई रिलेटिव सफर कर रहे हो ट्रेन में, उसके लिए जो मॉनिटरिंग व्यवस्था की गई है और हेल्पलाइन नंबर बनाया गया, उस बारे में थोड़ा बताएं।
हमने we have set up helpline numbers all along the route of these two trains, important routes like Itarsi, Khandwa, Bhopal, then Mumbai, Varanasi, Patna. We have set up helpline numbers for giving information to the public, and secondly, we have also giving the bulletins of the trains which have been affected now, because these two sections are closed, Itarsi, Khandwa, both upline and downline. So we had to divert and short terminate few trains, regulate few trains, and which we are doing now.